the overall enterprise, how did the company function, and then how did the field organization function. The words that we were using, our sales process and shared vision, they really became the vernacular that stitched the different cross-functional constituencies within our enterprise together. We were speaking a common language, which is really important when you're driving a new go-to-market, because you have to rally everyone around it, right? And they have to know what the goals are, what's the language, and when they're in a position to help the field or they're needed by the field, it's really important for everybody to understand what we're trying to achieve from a shared vision perspective. So I thought it was important for the overall enterprise. In terms of my team, I think the most immediate impact was delivering really high value, compelling proposals in a short period of time. And underneath those metrics, one of the things that as a CRO is kind of a red flag is when you're looking in Salesforce or whatever CRM tool that you're using, and you start to see a lot of proposals being driven, but then they sit in the stage for a long time. What does that tell you? Well, that tells you that you're not doing enough upfront from an investigation and discovery perspective to truly understand what a customer is trying to achieve, to truly align with that customer and drive a shared value. And so what ended up happening was, we identified that, and then as we trained everyone in terms of, hey, here's best practices from a discovery perspective. Let's use this methodology of writing and delivering documents and sharing those documents with customers and getting their input to truly align. And then that proposal stage ended up being a lot shorter. I want to say that it probably decreased our deals length of time in the proposal stage by at least 40 to 50% or so, which is compelling because obviously the quicker and more effectively you move deals through a sales cycle, the better off. They shouldn't be sitting in there for 75 days. And I want to say that I think after we finished with the SalesSparx training and then just all of the kind of sales management on top of the methodology, I think we brought that down to somewhere around 40 days. So it was a very significant decrease in terms of time that deals spent in their proposal stage.